development of a serum-free medium for myoblasts' long-term expansion and 3D culture for cell-based meat. Cell-based meat technology provides an effective method to meet the demand for meat, while also posing a huge challenge to the expansion of myoblasts. It is difficult to develop serum-free mediums suitable for long-term culture and large-scale expansion of myoblasts, which causes limited understanding of myoblasts' expansion. Therefore, this study used C2C12 myoblasts as model cells and developed a serum-free medium for large-scale expansion of myoblasts in vitro using the placket-Berman design. The serum-free medium can support short-term proliferation and long-term passage of C2C12 myoblasts, while maintaining myogenic differentiation potential which is comparable to those of growth medium containing 10% fetal bovine serum. Based on the C2C12 myoblasts microcarrier serum-free culture system established in this study, the actual expansion folds of myoblasts can reach 43.55 folds after 7 days. Moreover, cell-based meat chunks were preliminarily prepared using glutamine transaminase and edible pigments. The research results provide reference for serum-free culture and large-scale expansion of myoblasts in vitro, laying the foundation for cell-based meat production. Practical application. This study developed a serum-free medium suitable for long-term passage of myoblasts and established a microcarrier serum-free culture system for myoblasts, which is expected to solve the problem of serum-free culture and large-scale expansion of myoblasts in cell culture meat production.